Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure each camera is ready and visible to OBS. The why is stability. OBS needs consistent device ID. Once done, create a scene and add a video capture device for your first camera, naming it clearly. Set the resolution and FPS now so sources match. Mismatch settings cause dropped frames. If a webcam uses a UVC driver, leave it at hardware default. Make sure to lock the source to prevent accidental moves. Next, add the second camera as its own video capture device and give it a distinct name. This prevents OBS from reassigning devices. Once both sources exist, use Transform to scale and position them, and enable alignment guides for consistent framing. Assign hotkeys for quick scene swaps, or use Studio mode for previewing. If you see out-of-sync audio or video between cameras, toggle buffering or use a dedicated capture card to standardize input latency, because synchronization depends on consistent capture timing. Finally, perform a controlled run. Switch between camera scenes in Studio mode and record a short clip to verify visual and audio sync. If a camera drops, reopen its source properties and choose the correct device. Sometimes a USB replug or OBS restart is required because OS device ID change. If you still get drift, match audio sample rates and enable buffering on the problematic source. One key troubleshooting tip: always test with the exact scene collection and hardware you'll use live, because that reproduces issues reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.